Welcome back, Crammers, to question 16. Show that 3 5 over 7 divided by 1 5 over 8 equals 2 2 over 7. We can change this from mixed fractions to improper fractions by multiplying the whole number with the denominator and adding that to the numerator. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 5 is 26. We write the same denominator as 7 divided by 1 times 8 is 8 plus 5. That is 13 over 8 is equal to 2 over 7. Now, when dividing fractions, we can simply find the reciprocal and multiply instead. So we have 26 over 7 times 13 over 8 flipped is 8 over 13. And this is equal to 2 over 7. We can find the highest common factor of 26 and 13 to simplify this. The highest common factor is 13. So 13 divided by 13 is 1. And 26 divided by 13 is 2. Now we can multiply. 2 times 8 is 16 over 7 is equal to 2 over 7. We can find the highest multiple of 7 just before 16 to be 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So we have 2. And then 16 minus 14 is 2 again. And we divide it by 7 is equal to 2 over 7. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.